Alright, you gonna play nice? Stop biting me. I was coming to save you. You were stuck in the fence. Somehow I got stuck over here in between these two layers of fence in the chicken coop.
Dad, are you seriously making a YouTube video?
Here, you record. I'm gonna let you go, but you need to chill. Chill. Y'all get out so I can let it go. Sis, why are you recording the ground? It's pretty. Look at it. See? I'm nice. I'm saving you. Look, you made me bleed, you little shit. Alright.
Let's go.
Come over here. Aiden, move. I'm going to set it on the table. Oh, I was going to set it on the table so it could fly away, but it's gone.
My hands are cold.
Look, it made me bleed. No good deed goes unpunished. Look.
Hey, sis, I'm going to make a
It's ice.
snow angel.
It's frozen shut. Hoi! Alright, guys. I'm going back in. Y'all staying out here?
Yes. No! My hands are feet.
Your hands are feet? She just said her hands are feet. Alright, Aiden, if she's going in, you're going to have to go in too. I don't want y'all staying out here by yourself. Only one of, or both y'all at, geez, words. Both y'all or none of y'all. Come on. And come back out later. Whee! So cold.
I miss it. Dad, look what happened. The dog
Oh, he's
got out.
pouting. Oh, he's going to cry.
Dad, just come in.
Come on, Aiden.